Bull Bay cosmetologist gone missing after leaving home for work. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 30-year-old Melissa Getfield, otherwise called Shauna, a cosmetologist of Greenvale Road, 9 miles Bull Bay in St. Andrew, has been missing since Tuesday, March 22. She is of brown complexion, medium build, and about 157 centimeters or 5 feet 2 inches tall. Reports from the police are that at about 8 a.m., Getfield was last seen leaving her home for work, dressed in a blue jean skirt, blue blouse, and a pair of black slippers. It is further reported that she sports short curly hairstyle. She has a scar on both arms and on the back of her neck. Getfield has not been seen or heard from since March 22, 2022. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Melissa Getfield is being asked to contact the Bull Bay Police at 876-967-6810, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.